Hello everyone, at ayun na nga, nakompleto na ang ating 20 winners para doon sa aking birthday. Ayun, kahit na hindi pa ating birthday, ayun, na-claim na nila ang kanilang prizes. At syempre, ayun, sponsored this video si Ma'am Maisel Jewelry. Dapat naka-like, subscribe kayo sa aking YouTube channel at pa-like na rin ang kanyang page, yung Maisel Jewelry, para magkaroon kayo ng cash. Syempre, hindi nyo sa kanya kukunin yung cash sa akin. Ayun. Pag nakita nyo ako sa pagbablog ko sa event or sa isang shop, ayun. At syempre, nandito tayo sa Transport Show, May 25, Day 3. Sama ka sa biyahe ko.
Flashback.
Hello everyone, at ayun, Day 3 na ng Transport Show. Ayun, kasama natin si Ma'am Shimi Ferrer. Ayun.
Hi everyone.
Hello everyone, at nandito tayo sa Transport Show. Ayun, Day 3. At May 25, 2024, kasama natin si Ma'am Lu. Ayan.
Hi!
Hello everyone, at ngayon ay Day 3 ng Transport Show. Ayun. At syempre, kasama natin si Ma'am Abby. Then, Ma'am Abby. Hello everyone, at ayun, Day 3 ng Transport Show. Syempre, kasama natin si Ma'am Carmen. Ayun.
Hi!
Hello everyone, today is Day 3 ng Transport Show. Ayun, May 25, 2024, kasama natin si Ma'am Chelsea. Ayun. Then,
End of flashback.
hello everyone, today is May 25, 2024, Day 3 ng Transport Show. At kasama natin si Ma'am Mika. Ayun.
Hello.
Then, Ma'am, what booth kayo ngayon sa Transport Show?
I'm with Accelera.
Ayan. Then, Ma'am, ano po yung usual product or Ma'am, sino-showcase nila dito sa event, Ma'am?
Tires. So mga gulong yung showcase nila ngayon. It's made from Indonesia.
Indonesia. Ayan. Then, so far, Ma'am, sa mga Ma'am, visitor or sa mga clients, may mga nagpabook na ba or pre-order something? Mga ganun?
Actually, not pre-order, but they ordered right away.
Wow. Ayan. Then, ayun Ma'am, kamusta naman po yung experience so far from Day 1 to Day 3, Ma'am?
So far, nung first day and second day, medyo konti yung tao. But for this third day, yan, madaming tao and mas maraming orders ngayon kay Accelera.
Yeah. Then, syempre, before we continue our vlog, ayun, outfit check or uniform check muna kay Ma'am. Ayun. Comment down below kung nagustuhan nyo ang kanyang uniform. Ayun. Then, Ma'am, so far, Ma'am, dito sa event, Ma'am, any prediction para sa Day 4 tomorrow, Ma'am?
Day 4, I think mas maraming tao since it's Sunday. Wala nang trabaho yung mga tao. And it's gonna be family day. So they're going here for their cars, para sa kanilang mga car maintenance and everything. So I hope na maraming mag-visit tomorrow and visit our booth, Accelera booth.
Yeah. Then, ayun Ma'am, regarding po pala sa Transport Show, is this your first time sa Transport Show or no, Ma'am?
Actually, it's my first time here sa Transport Show.
Yeah. Wow. Then, ayun Ma'am, so far Ma'am, nag-enjoy naman kayo Ma'am sa...
So far, nakaka-enjoy, and especially yung team namin, very maalaga sila. And also yung ambience, hindi mainit since it's happening here sa SMX. Please do visit kasi mag-e-enjoy kayo. We have lots of games and prizes for you.
Then, since when po pala kayo nag-start mag-model, Ma'am?
Actually, I started modeling since I was high school to college, but starting events, I think last year, pero yung continuous events since 2019, before pandemic. So, marami ako nirarakit kasi iba-iba.
Then, congrats, marami kayong extra income. Then, ayun Ma'am.
Alipin na salapi. Ganon.
Wow. Ma'am, any Ma'am, upcoming events na confirmed na meron na kayo, Ma'am?
Yes, I do have. I have Sigma.
Sigma. Wow, may confirmation agad si Ma'am. Ayan. Then, ayun Ma'am, regarding naman Ma'am sa any business na gusto nyo i-plug or any social media just in case na gusto nila kayo i-follow, Ma'am.
Wala pa akong business.
Ayun.
Mind your own business, Connor. Pero I have my social media accounts. Please do follow me at mikasilos_.
Yeah. Then, Ma'am, ayun, regarding naman para sa mga fans or followers, just in case na, ayun yan, naka-follow sila sa inyo, Ma'am, na nanonood, ayun, any message sa kanila, Ma'am?
Mag-heart kayo ng picture, ha? Pag puro view.
Pag hindi kayo nag-heart, unfriend na daw.
Pag hindi kayo nag-heart, i-unfollow nyo na ako. Ganon.
Ganon. O kaya auto-block na, gano'n.
Hindi naman. Unfollow nyo na lang ako.
Mabait si ma'am. And, ayun ma'am, till what time kayo tomorrow? Just in case na
I'm here from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Then, ayun, visit nyo lang siya, guys.
Yes.
Thank you ulit, ma'am. Once again, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Flashback. End of flashback.
Hi guys, please like and subscribe to Alex Pangilinan.
Hi everyone, please like and share and subscribe Alexander Pangilinan.
Subscribe Alex Pangalinan's YouTube channel.
Hi, please do like, share and subscribe Alex Pangilinan YouTube account. Pangilinan. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Hello everyone! Please like and subscribe to Alexander Pangilinan YouTube channel.
Hi, please like and share, subscribe, Alex Pangilinan. Thank you.
Hello mga biyaheros, kung bitin pa kayo sa aming regular episode, meron tayong mga shorties, meron din tayong bloopers, question and answer, at kung ano-ano pa. Just click, click, click. Click nyo na, huwag nyo na kayo pinch. Hello everyone, today is day 3 ng Passport Show, May 25, 2024. Kasama natin si